Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's having trouble with a couple parts of making a 3D pie chart. It's really pretty easy. Let's get these out of the way. And let's draw an ellipse. Put it in percent of the page, which really doesn't matter. Unless you need a percentage, a perfect percentage like 35%. Just draw a piece of pie from the inside. Take your Smart Fill tool. We'll go ahead and fill that in with blue. We'll go ahead and use the same colors as I did on the first two and make that green. Now those are separate items. Let's right click no outline. Let's set our nudge factor on like 1/2 of an inch and let's move this out of the way. Now let's group this together. That's key. I think that may be what he's doing wrong. Because then you can use the extrude tool to bring in the extrude tool, take this right here and make it at an angle. Now it's a little bit thick, so let's bring it in a little bit. Basically, you're halfway done now, but we need to break this apart. Go up to Object, break the extrude group apart, Object, Order, or Object, Ungroup. Now, let's set our nudge factor on 12 inches, and let's nudge that out. If you ever see anything move it back. So we got those two pieces. There's actually another piece there we're going to nudge over. Sometimes in extrude, you're going to get invisible pieces, like right there. Just delete them. So now we've basically got 3 pieces of this. We don't have to group this together. So you've got the lower half, we're going to use the extrude tool, or the interactive fill tool, and give a little bit of darkness to that bottom. There's actually a piece like right there we could do. No, I got it at a different angle than I had before. Control G to group it together. Now we're going to take this blue piece, interactive fill tool, come down, give it a little bit of black. We actually want a little bit more black on this one than we had on the other one, so we're going to move our slide bar up, because that's really a shadow. Now just nudge it over and look at that shadow. And that's why I was saying you want to maybe make it even darker. Now we got a problem there, but we can go to Object, Order, Back a Page. But this one piece right here needs to go Object, Order, Back a Page, and now you have it. Now we need to take this little curve piece. It's kind of hard to use the interactive fill tool on a curve piece, but we're going to make it black here. See, but whenever you get that, you didn't get it in the box. Kind of hard to make a curve piece, so I just make it a little bit blacker all the way around. Now there's 2 trains of thought, either a black outline or a white outline. Just select it all and click with your right mouse button to make it an outline. Now you see we've got some lines in there we do not need, so we can just move them out of the way. And there you go, and there's one more line right there. They're invisible lines, but they show up on the extrude group. And that looks pretty cool. Or you can make the lines white, make them a little bit thicker than a hairline so they kind of show out. And, this particular piece, I should have really interactive fill tool a little bit darker. Make it look like it's really deep in that group. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.